I have one long creeper of money plant here. So this is how it looks. So it is a single creeper, very long one, and so I will just show you how to decorate this in two different vases. You can quickly do this whenever you want some fresh greenery inside your house. So these are the two vases in which this is one ceramic cup and one other metal container. So let's do it now. We will now start cutting after every 2 leaves. So this is the first cutting. This has 2 leaves. Now here 1, 2 nodes. So we'll cut it here. And this too after every 2 leaves. So we will make a bunch of leaves like this. Okay, now we are done. Now we will start cutting after every leaf. So this is for another set of leaves. So this one just has a single leaf. Just notice that we cut it just after the leaf. So each will have a stem and a leaf. So we will make a small bunch of these. Now this one also. Yeah. So these are the bunch which has 2 leaves. So every stem has 2 leaves. So this will go into one of the vases, and these are the bunch which has just 1 leaf. So we will arrange these into the other vase. This is the leftover stem. Now let us arrange these bunch of 2 leaves into one vase. So this is how it looks. And these are the single leaves which we also arrange them. So this is how the final look is. A very simple decor which can be done quickly and gives a good fresh look in your home. And this is the other vase. This single leaf. So looks beautiful, isn't it? So bright and colorful and very simple. Do not forget to pour water in these vases. So this is the end part of the creeper which I have put in another ceramic vase. So what you see is another older vase in which I have put the stems which have 2 leaves. You can notice this is after 15 days. You can see some new leaves growing at the nodes. So yeah, you can see this. So every stem will have these new leaves, and you can also notice roots growing at these nodes. So keep watering these and keep changing the water once every week, and they will last very long. So enjoy these fresh look in your home in a very simple way. quickly and beautifully. Thank you for watching.